Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a puzzle out of anything you'd like to recycle. You can use a Cheez-It box, Pop-Tart box, cereal box, whatever you prefer. Right now I am just trimming all the sides off, cutting the side flap, I'll cut the top flap, just trimming it down till I have a rectangle. If your item is square, that's fine as well. Just get rid of the foldable sides. Next, you'll need to grab a marker or a pen or a pencil and you'll map out your design. It doesn't have to be precise. You can grab a ruler if you choose, but just curves, ins and outs and ups and downs. You can be very creative. Here I make a zigzag and then a loop. I have a straight edge. So whatever you like. It definitely does not have to be perfect. No matter what you do, those pieces will fit together. So go ahead and map out your design, stress-free. Next, you will cut out your design, and it is your choice or preference. You can cut on the line, you can cut beneath the line, whatever you choose. Once again, this project is very forgiving. The pieces will fit no matter what, as long as you cut them out the way that you've traced them. So go ahead and take your time and cut out your pieces. Even if you decide to add an extra loop, if you just cut that out, it will fit. Right now, all the pieces are cut, and I am assembling this puzzle. I start with a label at the top. Looking at this piece, that's obviously a bottom edge or a corner piece. And that's another piece for the bottom. But assemble it just the way you normally would assemble a puzzle. It's free. You don't have to go out and buy a puzzle. It's something different. If you've done all your puzzles during this quarantine time, you can make your own. And you can make the pieces as big or as small as you like. I know there's some perfectionists out there, so you may grab a ruler and have all your pieces 2 inches or 3 inches. But it's totally up to you. But it's a very forgiving, easy, quick project that you can do with your family and just have fun. You can bag your pieces up in a Ziploc bag to store them. It'll be fun to collect different cereal boxes. But a nice, easy DIY. I hope you enjoy.